If I could go back in a time machine and talk to my 18-year-old self, I'd say, Ty, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income. Have maybe one full-time job, have a couple side streams of income, so that when something happens, you're not stuck like most people. People aren't loyal, companies aren't loyal anymore. And I got a gift for you today. I'm gonna give you a system, the exact same system that I've used for over a decade to generate money online. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not gonna become a millionaire overnight from this, but I'm gonna let you partner with me on the actual products that I've been selling. I've sold over $100 million of these different products, so I know they work. It's not a network marketing, it's not a multi-level marketing.